Hello students, today I will talk about the micromineral zinc. Distribution of zinc. Total body zinc content is about 2 to 2.5 grams. It is found in skeletal muscles, bones, hippocampus area of brain, prosthetic secretion, liver, skin and pancreas. Sources of zinc. Plant sources are unmilled cereals, dry legumes, green leafy vegetables, roots, tubers, nuts, beans, gingerly or sesame seeds, poppy seeds, mustard seeds, etc. Animal sources are liver, milk, dairy products and eggs, meat, shellfish, etc. Amounts of zinc. Adult 12 to 15 mg per day. Lactating women 19 mg per day. Infants and children 3 to 10 mg per day. Since iron inhibits absorption of zinc, so when iron is supplemented, zinc is also given to prevent any deficiency. Absorption and storage of zinc. Zinc is absorbed mainly from the duodenum and ileum. A low molecular weight zinc binding factor secreted by the pancreas forms complex with zinc and helps in its absorption. Zinc is stored in liver, muscles, skin and bones. The stored zinc remains bound in liver to thiol groups of small proteins called metallothioneins. Inhibitory factors. The absorption of zinc from the diet is inhibited by dietary phytate, calcium, cadmium, iron and copper. Drugs which inhibit zinc absorption are penicillamine, sodium valproate and ethambutol. Zinc and copper competitively inhibit each other's absorption. Excretion of zinc. Zinc is excreted in feces through pancreatic juice. It is also excreted in sweat. Output of zinc. Whole blood contains 650 to 800 microgram per deciliter. Normal plasma level of zinc is 100 to 120 microgram per deciliter. Zinc in plasma is transported in combination with serum albumin and transferrin. RBCs carry zinc in carbonic anhydrase and superoxide dismutase enzyme. Functions of zinc. More than 300 enzymes are zinc dependent, which is either constituent or cofactor of enzymes. The enzymes are carbonic anhydrase, cytoplasmic superoxide dismutase, which is an antioxidant enzyme, alkaline phosphatase, lactate dehydrogenase, glutamate dehydrogenase, ALA dehydratase, alcohol dehydrogenase, retinal reductase, carboxypeptidase, and DNA and RNA polymerase. Structure of carbonic anhydrase, where you can see zinc is an important part of the active site of the carbonic anhydrase enzyme. This enzyme catalyzes the reaction of conversion of carbon dioxide and water to bicarbonate and hydrogen ion. Zinc has a role in storage and secretion of insulin. In the secretory vesicles of pancreatic beta cells, insulin is stored as crystalloid like hexamers. Insulin is stabilized by the binding of two zinc ions to either thiol or imidazole side chains of amino acids of insulin. Insulin released into the blood does not contain zinc. The commercially available preparation protamine zinc insulinate also contains zinc. Role in vitamin A metabolism. Zinc stimulates release of vitamin A from liver into blood, which is utilized in rhodopsin synthesis. Role in removal of free radicals. Zinc is a constituent of the enzyme superoxide dismutase. Gustatory or taste sensation. Zinc containing protein gustan in saliva is important for taste sensation. Zinc is necessary for normal immunological function. Role of zinc in binding of regulatory proteins to DNA. Zinc is involved in a characteristic motif termed as zinc finger motif in a number of eukaryotic DNA binding proteins that regulate the transcription of DNA into RNA. Clinical significance of zinc. Zinc deficiency manifestations are poor growth, poor wound healing, decreased gustatory or taste sensation, which is also known as hypogeusia, decreased olfactory acuity or the smell sensation, lesions of skin, impaired spermatogenesis, hypogonadism, hyperkeratosis, dermatitis, and alopecia or baldness. There is reduction in number of T and B lymphocytes. Macrophage functions is retarded. Cytokine production is adversely affected. Zinc deficiency leads to depression, dementia, and other psychiatric disorders. Dietary zinc deficiency is believed to cause dwarfism and hypogonadism in Iran and Egypt. Phytate-rich diet and alcoholism may cause zinc deficiency. Mild zinc deficiency has been described in many diseases including diabetes mellitus, HIV/AIDS, cirrhosis, inflammatory bowel disease, malabsorption syndromes, and sickle cell disease. Zinc deficiency is prevalent in many developing countries and usually coexists with other micronutrient deficiencies, especially iron. There is a zinc deficiency disease known as ectodermatitis enteropathica. It is an autosomal recessive condition of defective zinc absorption. Ectodermatitis means inflammation around nose, mouth, and fingers. There also occurs diarrhea, alopecia or baldness, ophthalmoplegia or paralysis of the eye muscles, hypogonadism, poor growth, cutaneous photosensitivity, intestinal lesions, hypogonadism, and mental disorders. Toxicity. Toxic manifestations are seen when intake is more than 1000 mg per day. Toxicity of zinc is usually seen in metal welders due to inhalation of zinc oxide fumes. Many rat poisons contain zinc compounds, which leads to accidental poisoning. Chronic toxicity may produce gastric ulcer, pancreatitis, anemia, nausea, vomiting, depressed immune function, and pulmonary fibrosis. Acute toxicity is manifested as flu-like symptoms, fever, excessive salivation, headache, and anemia. Excessive zinc interferes with the fusion function of copper and iron. Role of zinc in Alzheimer's disease. Zinc is the most abundant trace metal in the brain. Zinc is released into the synaptic cleft of glutaminergic neurons alongside glutamate, from where it interacts and modulates the glutamate receptors NMDA and AMPA. Zinc is critical in the enzymatic non-amyloidogenic processing of the amyloid precursor protein APP and in the enzymatic degradation of the amyloid beta peptide. Zinc binds to amyloid beta peptide, promoting its aggregation into neurotoxic species, and disruption of zinc homeostasis in the brain results in synaptic and memory deficits. Thus, zinc dyshomeostasis may have a critical role to play in the pathogenesis of Alzheimer's disease, and the chelation of zinc is a potential therapeutic approach for Alzheimer's disease. Zinc binds to peptidase binding sites of amyloid molecules, preventing their hydrolysis by peptidases. This in turn promotes their precipitation as plaques in Alzheimer's disease. Thank you.